Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate Green from Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, and right now I'm standing inside a brand new 2024 Flagstaff E20FKS. I'm on the inside. We'll take a look around, go over some features, and we'll take a look around the outside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let's get started. So coming around here, I'm facing towards the bed area, and you can see you have a larger bed with a bunk up top. Plenty of windows with shades that come down to give you your privacy. We do have our exit window right here. Storage up above. And then right down below, you can see right here, you do have a table that comes right into your couch. So you can hook that up if you're, if you're grilling outside and you want to come in, you can watch TV. You don't have to worry about having the food in your lap or anything like that. We got some storage up above here. There's another window with your shade. More storage up above. More storage up above there as well. And then you do have a slide on this as well. More storage down below. We have our device charging outlets in here. Then coming right over to the left, we have our bathroom. A lot of space here. We do have our porcelain toilet. Towel holder here. A little bit more storage up here. We have our fan up above. A little bit more storage in here. You do have your mirror here, your medicine cabinet. Lots of space to work with here. Then we do have our shower. Very nice looking. We'll close that and come on the outside here. Here's our TV with your Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus. There's our AC up above. Plenty of lights in this small travel trailer, which I really like. You do have your cup holders in your sofa here. Got our freezer. And we got our fridge. Lots of space to work with. Coming into the kitchen area here, we do have our microwave. Lots of storage down below. Coming around. Storage underneath. We do have our oven, 3-burner cooktop, lights and fan switches right here. Lots of storage up above that oven for snacks. But one thing I want to emphasize the most is the amount of counter space that you actually have here to work with. Stainless steel sink. One thing I want to touch on is the tower of power. So charging multiple devices here. You do have a wireless charger up above. You got one on both sides. Like I mentioned, stainless steel sink. And right underneath that, you have your attachment to go over the sink so you can dry off dishes, let that water drop right off. And in some of my other videos here, I do have I do have some more information laid out like this, but this is the complete composite wall construction. So I'm going to go over this here, and feel free to pause the video, get a little bit more information, and let me know what you think. Alright, moving on. So I'm going to pan back out a little bit. Do one more slow view of the inside here. I love the Flagstaff E-Pro. Perfect couple camper. They come in multiple different floor plans. Built with care, quality, and just a personal favorite of mine. So let's take a look down before we head outside. GFCI outlets here, fire extinguisher here, and we do have our command center right here. And then, like I mentioned before, I think I did another Flagstaff product here, is they also do their construction on the door. So I'm gonna show that briefly here. Feel free to pause the video. This does have a 2,000 watt solar panel. Come back over here just so you can correlate the numbers. Alright, let's move on to the outside here. So see right away you have a large power awning here with our white LED light strip. You have speakers on the outside so you can listen to your music around the fire. Got a beefier set of tires on here. Got our low point drain here. And then before I get too far ahead of myself, you're probably wondering about the dry weight on this. Dry weight on this is 3937. The GoPro can pick that up there. Again, 3937. So very lightweight travel trailers. Moving around. We got our outlets on the outside. We got our LP disconnect here. Plenty of storage with more outlets here. Manual jacks. Coming around. More storage on the inside here. You do have your hitch. You do have your backup camera prep system. You do have a ladder to get up on the roof. Coming around, there's the slide with everything open. Got our cable and satellite hookups here. 30 amp service right here. We do have our hot water heater and furnace right next to each other. Manual jacks on this. Fresh water drain, gray water holding tank, sewer outlet connection down below. I'm gonna take a step back. I'm in the shop today. Very well thought out design, lightweight, easy to tow around. So moving up to the front, got our docking lights, and then if you didn't see it before, there's a better view of that dry weight. Again, 3937. Storage in here. Now all your cabinets or your outside compartments here do have that magnetic latch. Got a nice rock guard here. Now we do install the battery at the time of purchase, and we also do fill the propane for you as well. We do have our power tongue jack here. And we'll take a look at the front cap here. I really love the design of these E-Pros. Coming back around, we'll pan back out so I could do a side view of this side here. A very nice floor plan, very well thought out. Smaller travel trailer today, ladies and gentlemen, but that's going to do it for this video. So again, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this E-Pro down in the comments below. I'd like to hear some of the feedback here, but if you want to make an appointment with me, all my information is going to be in the description box below. My name is Nate Green from Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, and my direct number is 218-740-4965. I'll catch you in the next one. You guys have a great day.